is your host, Leana Canilao. Welcome sa episode ng Trip, Treat at Gimmick kung saan bida ang mga samot-saring negosyo, produkto, pasyalan, kainan, and other exciting events here in Pampanga and Central Luzon. Let's gym mga ka-gimmick! Sabi nila, the first step is the hardest. Pero ang first step din yon ang pinaka hindi mo pagsisisihan. This rings true lalo na sa ating mga kababayan na ipinagpapatuloy ang kanilang fitness journey. Kaya naman, tuklasin natin ang masayang sporting event sa Pampanga to stay motivated and healthy this summer season. Star-studded ang CCM 32 Challenge ng Clark City Marathon na ginanap nitong April 2. Kabilang sa mga nakitakbo, ang celebrity couple na sina Andrea Brillantes at Richie Rivero. Kabang-abang naman ang full marathon na ikakasa ng organizers bago matapos ang taon. Silipin natin ang mga eksena sa Trip, Treat at Gimmick ni Marco Galang.
1,000 runners ang kumasa sa Ultimate Challenge ngayong 2023. Ito ang CCM 32 Challenge ng Clark City Marathon na ginanap nitong linggo April 2 sa Mimosa Clark Freeport Zone.
Today, sir, we have 1,000 runners. Actually, more than 1,000. So, nag-limit lang naman tayo and marami pang gustong mag-join eh. So, pero we had to limit to 1,000.
Mapa-celebrities, athletes, sports enthusiasts o differently abled person man ay nakiisa sa nasabing marathon. Isa na riyan si Jokat Legda na mula pa sa Baguio City.
It's fun. Joining the run is fun na parang I get to be with runners na ako nag-walk lang naman. So parang it's fun na nakaka-encourage ako ng ibang tao.
Taong 2010 na ma-amputate ang kanyang paa dahil sa bar exam bombing sa De La Salle University. Gayunpaman, hindi ito naging hadlang para sumali sa running event.
Parang para sa akin, parang always look at the bright side. Yun lang. Parang always look at the bright side. In everything that you do, look at the bright side kasi it's always glass half full.
Manghang-mangha at nag-enjoy naman ang athlete na si Nico Huelgas na first time tumakbo sa isang marathon sa Clark. Dahil sa kanyang superb experience, nagbabalik itong sumali sa iba pang running events sa premier sports destination ng bansa.
Masaya po. It's my first time to join the Clark City Marathon. And to be honest, I really enjoyed it. Ang ganda ng environment, ang daming puno. Tapos masaya lahat. So I plan to come back and enjoy again.
Na-challenge naman ang Pinay singer and actress na si Geneva Cruz dahil sa mountainous na race course.
Iba pala dito sa Clark kasi medyo hilly, like maraming hills, pababa, akyat. So talagang yung energy medyo tinitipid ng content and just go faster.
Maging ang couple na sila Andrea Brillantes at Richie Rivero hindi pinalampas ang CCM 32. 2018 na magsimula ang Clark City Marathon. At ngayong taon, mayroon itong courses na iniba sa standard distance. Ang mga kategorya nito ay ang 32-kilometer solo, 32-kilometer two-man relay, 16-kilometer solo o half the distance, 8-kilometer fun run at 4-kilometer fun run. Inihanda naman ng organizers ang full marathon na magaganap sa huling araw ng Oktubre o kalagitnaan ng Nobyembre.
Hopefully, next year we will have the second CCM 32. But this year, we will have the full marathon, which is CCM 2023. That will happen by end of the year.
Challenging kung challenging. Kayo mga ka-gimmick, kakasaba kayo sa isang marathon? Ako siguro, next question na lang. But I'm sure na kahit ano pang salihan natin, basta good for our body and mind, yan ang magiging trip ko. Up next mga ka-gimmick, almost 5,000 runners. Ganyan karami ang nakiisa sa ginanap na TCS Clark Animo International Marathon 2023 na isa sa pinakamalaking running events sa Clark, Pampanga. Bukod sa pagtakbo na maganda para sa kalusugan, nakatulong din ang mga nakilahok sa pangangalaga ng kalikasan. Ang proceeds kasi ng nasabing kaganapan ay mapupunta sa reforestation ng Abacan Watershed sa Angeles City. Narito ang aking trip, treat at gimmick!
Green Run
for the green cause. Ito ang naging tema ng ginanap na TCS Clark Animo International Marathon, isa sa biggest running event sa Clark, Pampanga nitong linggo, March 5. Bukod kasi sa pagkakaroon ng active at healthy lifestyle, ang sporting event na inorganisa ng De La Salle Alumni Association o DLSAA Pampanga Chapter ay naglalayon ding makatulong sa pangangalaga ng Abacan Watershed sa Angeles City katuwang ang Araw ACI.
Ever since, I think we are the longest running and the biggest running event in Clark, and yet we are, I think, the only non-profit marathon, no? So probably that's one of the reasons why we started in 2009, so it's our 14th year. Probably that's the reason we're still here, because I think it's good karma, no? Because it's non-profit and we're spending the proceeds well, no? We're again this year's beneficiary is the Angeles City Watershed. Okay, but we also give to La Salle Botanical Gardens in Alvera, Porac. Yeah.
Humigit kumulang 5,000 runners ang dumagsa sa Clark Global City upang makiisa sa layunin ng nasabing aktibidad.
Hopefully this would continue. This stopped for I think 1 year or two because of the pandemic, and now that it's back, we hope that it continues to do this event every year so that we could help more and of course entice everyone to run. Right?
Tradition every year na I'm supporting a specific organization para makatulong din, and at the same time parang ito ang isang opportunity para ituloy yung advocacy na yon, and at the same time parang nakatulong ka na, you are being healthy as well.
Parang merong fulfillment na magra-run ka at the same time ay magiging participative ka doon sa kanilang advokasya.
Matatandaan nitong Nobyembre ng nakaraang taon, inilunsad ang Clark Animo Kickstart Run bilang paghahanda sa idinaos na mas malaking marathon. At ayon na rin kay Aris Patawaran, ang chairman ng De La Salle Alumni Association Pampanga Chapter, maraming naingganyat na kaisa sa kanilang hangaring mapangalagaan ang kalikasan.
Siguro dahil sa advocacy namin, nakikita nila na hindi naman kumikita tong mga to. So siguro gusto rin nila magbigay. That's why they continue to patronize this run. No?
Hindi lamang mga individual at grupo ang nahikayat na lumahok sa advokasya ng sporting event, kundi maging ilang malalaking kumpanya, kabilang narito ang Tata Consultancy Services Philippines.
Yes, so we've partnered with Clark Animo since 2016, and we do this not just to support the sporting event, but to actually also support their advocacies, which is the reforestation of the Abacan Watershed Project. And this is very much aligned with our corporate sustainability and environmental values.
Samantala, patuloy umano ang gagawing hakbang ng samahan upang mas mapalawak ang bahagi ng Abacan Watershed na sakop ng kanilang programa.
We will continue to support the watershed of Angeles. No? Now kasi we sponsored 1 hectare para sa reforestation. But I think we will expand this to 5 hectares o hanggang 10 hectares hanggang kaya namin i-sustain. No? Kasi ito, hindi naman one-time event lang eh. It has to be sustainable. So we're doing this on a long-term basis na we're partnering with Araw Foundation para sa watershed nga ng Angeles City.
Bukod sa running event, isang golf cup din ang ikakasa ng asosasyon ngayong 2023.
We are launching the Brother Andre Gonzalez Golf Cup this year. No? So we're getting into golf, no? More matured sports aside from this. No? But again, we're open to any, because we're into physical activities, no? Again, advocacy rin namin yung healthy lifestyle.
O di ba mga kagimik, hindi lang self-care ang mahalaga sa panahon ngayon. Tunay ngang maging ang ating kalikasan ay dapat bigyang pansin at pangalagaan so we can stay fit and fresh. Up next, National Basketball League Youth, pinuno ng aksyon ang hardcourt. At Milo Active Pilipinas, muling magbibigay kaalaman sa kabataan tungkol sa sports. Don't go away, magbabalik ang Trip, Treat at Gimmick!